Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet. So now to find a solution about Google Meet, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Google Meet and you will enter as you see. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we click on storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.